viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we are going to display as well as discuss one of the beautiful feature that has been recently added in Excel, and that is the analyzing capability of Excel. Although we know that Excel has so many powerful features, be it in the form of what if analysis, be it in the form of applying filters. But today I'm going to definitely show you some other feature which has been recently added in Excel, and it produces a great powerful feature. So first of all, all of you can see that the worksheet that is being shown, it is a very simple kind of worksheets where I have displayed some participants' name, their marks, their joining dates, etc. etc. So we can see this particular icon which is precisely saying analyze data. So we will try to explain how this analyzed data can become helpful. So this is a recent development on Excel. So if you click here, for example, I'm clicking here. So first it will try to scan your worksheet. Whatever worksheet you are here, it will try to read these column names. You can see that some automatically framed questions are coming. How many different performance of applicants or performance of applicants with average marks. So I'm not going to, these are the suggested questions which may not match as per your expectation. So let us say I'm framing a question. Who has scored, say, maximum marks? So after writing this thing, I'm clicking on this submit question button. Now you see that automatically the correct record is coming. The name of the person is Ravi Kala and his individual score is 94. So let us cross check where is Ravi Kala in our worksheet. So you can see that Ravi Kala, and if I sort it in the descending order, now for example, I am trying to sort this particular figure in the descending order of marks. So if 94 is the highest, definitely it will come on top. So let's try to do this to cross check whether Excel is saying the correct result or not. So here I'm going to data sort. Here I want to sort by marks, and that too in the highest to smallest, means in the descending. So yeah, I'm clicking here on OK, and definitely I can see Ravi Kala is the person who has got highest marks. So you see that the amazing powerful feature is that you even did not have to go for bothering writing some functions or doing some analysis extra activities. So this is a wonderful feature. Again, another particular feature I am showing. I'm I'm rewriting another query. So I have written whose marks are less than the average of all marks. Remember, while mentioning your questions, the correct column name should be given. So if I click here, I mean submit the questions, so I can see these are the names, their average. What is the average? I am also not sure, but certainly we can see that Pankaj Sharma, Aisha Fatima, Mahendra Singh, Prem Shekhawat, and Vijay Shekhawat, these are the persons whose individual score is less than the average. So the average can be very easily calculated. I'm selecting this particular thing, and some more results may be there, remember. So you can see that average is somewhere it is showing 67.26, or I can say 67.3. So definitely it is showing you the correct result. And if you click here on three dots, or if you scroll it down, definitely you will find that some more results are coming. And definitely this analyze data feature, you can use it very effectively. I hope you have understood the entire concept, and definitely it is a new feature of Excel. Try to discover some more powerful powerful features of this analyzing capability, and I believe you will also enjoy while properly utilizing this particular option. Thank you. Have a nice day, and for such more similar videos, be in touch and subscribe our channel. Thank you.